3 by 10. 3 across and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up. That's 3 by 10 is the same thing as 10 by 3. We just swap these around and Bob's your uncle. 10 across and 3 up. This is gonna be 30. You get to it either way. The commutative property. That means that when you multiply a pair of numbers, it doesn't matter what order you do the multiplication in. A times B, apple times banana, that's the same thing as banana times apple. Let's see commutativity again. You have 2 across and you have 5.5 down. That's the same thing as saying 5.5 times 2. Go 5.5 across and up 2. Either way, you're gonna get 11 blocks.
Be sure to subscribe, watch full-length episodes below, and God bless.
-5 by 3. Don't worry about the negative sign right now. Just ignore it. It's the same thing as saying 3 by -5. Yeah! Either way, that means you have -15. -15 blocks. That means you owe me 15 blocks. Let's look at a 2 by 3 by 4. This here is a box? Yeah, that's a box. All right, so 2 by 3 by 4. That's the same thing as saying 3 by 2 by 4. You can look at it that way. 3 by 2 by 4. It's the same thing. Yeah. It's the same thing as saying 3. Yeah. Someone is excited for boxes. This is the same thing as saying 3 by 4 by 2. Commutativity. Multiplication is wonderful because it doesn't matter in what order you do the multiplication. You're gonna get the same result either way. Multiplication is commutative, but what about division? 4 divided by 2 is just a whopping 2. And 2 divided by 4, can we do it the other way? No. 2/4 is the same thing as 1/2. They are not the same. What about addition? 3 plus 4. That's an easy illustration. 3 plus 4, that's 7. That is the exact same thing as 4 plus 3. Either way, you're gonna get 7 blocks. Addition is commutative. But what about subtraction? No, and I wanna give you an example of why it doesn't work.
You can't do that.
But I want you to give me the one example where subtraction is commutative. If you're stuck or lost in the sauce, you should join the Gator's class so that you can watch the rest of this video happening right now.
Keenumbers.
Here's an easy way to show that subtraction is not commutative. You can do 4 minus